Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about YouTube settings. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see your YouTube channel ID. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you log into your YouTube account. Having logged into your YouTube account, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right there, click on the profile icon right here. And this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you click on settings. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on advanced settings. Under the advanced settings right there, you have your channel ID right there. And likewise your user ID right there. It's that simple. You can click on this particular icon right there to copy the channel ID and save it somewhere. These two user ID and channel ID here is very much important for your YouTube channel. Make sure you copy these two right here and save it somewhere else. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to find your user ID and your channel ID on YouTube. For more tutorial about best YouTube settings, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.